Today I'd like to talk to you about replacing a Upvc window gaskets. On this particular window I've been guilty of only doing half a job. I've only replaced this gasket here. But there are two gaskets to every window and there's an inner gasket there. The outer gasket is obviously more degenerated than the inner gasket, but I personally can feel the difference if I just flex it. The first stage is ordering the correct replacement gasket, so just remove the gasket and examine it. The next stage would be to source suitable replacement gaskets. As you can see here, there are many variants. A seller on eBay had quite an innovative solution to this problem, and what he does is produces a sample pack. As you can see, the variants, there's the sample pack, 99p that cost. It was a bargain. So from the sample pack I was able to correctly identify the gasket to be replaced. So the first stage is removal of the gasket. So that's the old gasket coming out. Quite in good condition, this, compared to some of the gaskets I've removed. A lot of the time the rubber's degenerated and it's been brittle. But you can, if I go to my new gasket, I can feel a really positive difference. So I'm going to start at the top with gravity on side. And I'll change hands. I'm just going to test my dexterity a little bit, make sure it's firmly pushed in. I try and keep the joining as close to the original place as possible. The reason for which is it's quite sheltered here. We've got the soffit there, so the likelihood of any rain creeping through the joint is pretty slim. Tricky bits on the corners. How are we getting there? This particular gasket is quite offset, so if we look at it, see. It's actually this one in the picture, so you can see the centre's offset, so you have to take that into consideration when installing your new gasket. So as you can see, we just repeat the process. I'm going to finish the rest of this off camera because I think you get the idea. The last thing is, when you do the join, all you need is a trusty pair of scissors. Try and join it without any gaps. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.